The song a robin sings through years of endless springs. The murmur of a brook at eventide, the rivers by a nook where two lovers hide a great symphony sing. That's the love eterna. I'm not a dream, my heart, and I agree. She's everything on earth to me. The song a robin sings through years of endless spring. The murmur of